So for today's healthy drink, ito ang iinumin ko. It's a Acai Berry Beauty from Week It 7. And I'm going to take this kasi nagpupuyat ako lately from taping. We have been filming very intense na mga eksena na hindi naiiwasan din yung napupuyat and napapagod. Acai berry is a really good antioxidant, meaning okay siya for yung mga environmental stressors. Okay siyang pangkontra sa ganon. Hindi naman bago sa akin yung pag-take ng mga supplements because I find that it really helps, no? Meron siyang additional glow na idudulot sa akin. Yung kahit puyat ka na, at least meron pa rin glow yung balat mo. And then, of course, it makes you healthy from the inside out. Okay din to for anti-aging or for healthy aging. Kasi pinapabilis niya yung cell turnover natin. So, laging may fresh skin na lumalabas. Ganda ng kulay niya. Hindi ko pa yan minimix. I'm going to add some ice on it para masarap siyang inumin. Shake this up to mix. Sarap siya. Parang very, very mild na red iced tea. One sachet of this is only 11 calories. So, kung nagda-diet kayo, pasok na pasok din siya sa calorie count. This drink will also increase your collagen production. So, at least yung ating skin, also the hair, the nails, no, parang nakakatulong siya doon na mag-strengthen. Also, it can lighten your skin or give the appearance of brighter skin kapag lagi nyo siyang tinitake. Busin ko na to, and remember to stay hydrated, guys, kasi grabe napakainit ngayon, and our body and our skin especially needs it.